Hi everyone, I'm Ruby. Here is our new friend Tom.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Today we will play a two guys game together.
Two guys game? What's that? Let me show the rules of the game. First, we will have some questions and facts. If you get wrong answer, I will do that. If you get slow answer, I will do that. So we call this game How to Beat Ruby.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Yes.
Question 1.
50 years!
Question 2.
And I know it has glass door inside.
And
It's glass wool and polyurethane.
Oh.
question 3.
Oh, dear.
I know. During the constructions, the water pipes and electric lines, they will pre-making at the bottom of floor and the walls. When it arrives to customer's land, they only need to do some small things will be finished.
Right? Oh, okay.
The last question.
Because it is economic, a big part and soft and it's very flexible. Haha, it's my turn.
Sorry. You cheated.
Oh.
It's my turn!